Hi guys, this is the latest bit to break on my little rock crawler, the Devil's Monster rock crawler that I picked up in a charity shop. This is the steering linkage. This end goes on the servo and this end goes on the stub axle, and you might be able to see there's a split in it. So I'm going to probably see if I can get one 3D printed, but in the meantime it's just occurred to me that I can probably just put hot glue around the outside and that will probably hold it together. I did try gluing it with super glue and that didn't last at all. That was hopeless. But I think if I just put some hot glue around the outside, that might work. I have to trim it afterwards, but just like that. Don't know if that was on camera because I was looking at what I was doing and not looking at the camera. But that's a sort of technique I use on a lot of my rubber band powered cars to hold the axle tube in place, is to put hot glue all the way around it. Because it's quite hard to stretch hot glue, so I think that might work. We'll see. Right, so there we are. This is only a temporary fix. I'm not looking at this being permanent. So that goes on there. That goes on there. Can't keep my fingers out the way and film it at the same time. Oh, I think we're all right. I suppose I should have cleaned the mud off first. Right, that's in place. Battery in it and check it. Yep, that looks like that's going to work. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.